AI is changing software development faster than anything we've seen before. And that raises a question a lot of business leaders are asking. Do we need fewer developers or better developers powered by AI? For many companies, the first reaction to AI is simple. If developers can work faster, maybe we don't need as many. But that might be the wrong way to think about it. The real opportunity is increasing the impact your engineering team can deliver. AI is great at generating code. It can speed up repetitive tasks, automate documentation, and help developers move faster. But writing code has never been the hardest part of building great software. Understanding customer needs, designing scalable systems, making smart technical decisions, solving complex business problems. Those are still human skills. And they're the skills that separate good teams from great ones. The companies getting the most value from AI aren't focused on replacing developers. They're focused on empowering talented developers to do more. When strong engineering talent is combined with AI, teams can move faster, innovate more, and deliver better outcomes. That's where the real competitive advantage comes from. AI won't replace great developers. It will amplify them. The question isn't how many developers you need. It's how much impact your team can create with the right talent and the right tools. Is your engineering team ready to turn AI into real impact?